notes on circumference. So this is the first corner of that note sheet. So circumference means the perimeter of the circle. So it is the length around the circle. And length is one-dimensional. So that's really important to remember. One-dimensional. Okay? The formula, these all have formulas, and a couple of them are given to you, and a couple are not, but you're allowed to use a note card on your test, so it doesn't matter. So, circumference equals 2 pi r, or circumference equals d pi. So, hopefully you figured out r stands for radius, and d stands for diameter. Okay, what we get in this picture from the center to a point on is the radius, so we're going to use this guy right here. So circumference equals 2 pi times 7.1. So all you got to do is multiply the two numbers together to get 14.2 pi, and we are using centimeters. And it is one-dimensional, so it's to the first power. So you don't technically have to write that, but I'm going to for consistency. This is the exact answer, okay? We also can give an approximate answer, that's what the squiggly equal sign means, by multiplying 14.2 times pi. There is a pi button on your calculator, so you can do 14.2 times pi and hit equals, and it will give you a decimal, or you can use 3.14. Okay, so when you do that, you get 44 approximately 0.61 centimeters to the first. So this is the approximate answer. Okay, and I just picked to round to the hundredths, so you would have to look at the directions. So how do you know which of these answers to get? You need to base it on the directions. You know those big bold things that you guys like to ignore? If they tell you to round, then you are approximating. If they don't say anything like that, you are giving the exact, or it might specify to give the exact answer. Alright? So try the first section of the practice packet, and then get it checked with Ms. Reisman or myself.